Good morning, everybody. I am Raghu Kumar T, Assistant Professor of English, Government First Grade College, Badavanahalli. Today, I am going to talk about Mulkaraj Anand's Untouchable, with special focus on the episode of Sohini and Pandit Kalinath at the well. In this session, we know the problems faced by lower caste people in getting basic necessities like water. Sohini goes to bring water as there was not even a single drop of water at home. Her brother Baka was thirsty after working, so he asks her water. There is no water, and she goes to bring the water. But as she belonged to lower caste, she cannot draw water directly from the well. If she touches water, the water will be polluted. So she had to wait for the caste Hindus to give water for her. But the caste Hindus or the upper caste Hindus should be free, and also they are kind enough to draw and give water. When she arrives at the well, there are already about 10 other outcasts waiting. But there was no Hindu present to draw water and give it to the lower caste or the untouchables. There was also Gulabo, the washerwoman, mother of Ramcharan and Baka's friend. She was jealous of Sohini because Sohini was beautiful and Gulabo was middle aged and she was losing her beauty. Naturally, she becomes jealous of Sohini. She belonged to the high place in the hierarchy of low castes. As she was a washerwoman, she was placed higher in the strata of untouchables. Sohini belonged to the lowest of the low because she belonged to the untouchable caste of sweepers. Gulabo insults Sohini, provokes her, and scolds without any reason. But still, Sohini preserves her patience. She doesn't respond. Seeing Sohini silence, Gulabo tries to hit her, but is stopped by Waziro, the wife of a weaver. Thus, Sohini faces insult. Finally, there comes Pandit Kalinath, who is one of the priests in charge of the temple in the town. He comes there, and all the ladies request him to draw water for them. But he is not ready. Finally, his eyes fall on Sohini. He recognizes her as Sweeper's daughter, that is, the daughter of Laka. Sohini was sitting away from the crowd. Still, he calls her and gives water to her, ignoring Gulabo and others who were requesting to give water to them. He says that Sohini has been waiting patiently and the reward of patience is supreme. In this case, water will be given to those who wait with patience. He asks her to come and clean the courtyard of his house at the temple. She agrees to go and clean the temple. This is the incident, a simple incident which proves dangerous for Sohini in future because Pandit Kalinath tries to exploit the situation. I have prepared some MCQs for your reference. You can go through them also.